Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about SQL query insert into example. Before starting the demo, I just want to set the context. I'm using Derby plugin in my Eclipse. I've already installed Derby plugin in my Eclipse, and I'm using employee table with 7 columns for our demo purpose. And the employee table has 8 employee records already inserted. So let's see this insert into statement, SQL query statement. Insert into statement is used to insert new records in a database table. You have a table and you want to insert new records, you can use insert into statement. There are two forms. The first form is you can specify without column names. Insert into table name values. Directly you can give values and start with the values. So this is the example for the first form. Okay, this is the example for first form where we have mentioned directly the values without even having the column names. The second form is insert into table name and columns and values. The example for that one is here. So I have specified the column names here in this bracket. Then after that I have values that I want to insert. So these are the two forms available for insert query. So let's execute this. Insert into employee table and values. So these are the records. It should match all the columns in your database table. If some values are missing, then you will be getting an error. So let's execute these two queries and check how exactly it is affecting. It says 1 row affected. Already we have 8 rows in our database. After executing these two queries, we should have 10 records in our database table. Let's check that. So if you see here, so Maria and Mitchell, so both the records have been inserted into our database table. So our insert into queries are working properly. So this is the purpose of insert into SQL query statements. In order to insert some new records to the database table, you need insert into query. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.